Ay, ngayong araw, tuturuan ko ngayon si Noah, pamangkin ko, kung paano mag-saxophone.
Hi.
So, he is, how old are you, Noah?
10.
10 years old. And this is it your first time to blow a saxophone?
Yes.
Yes, actually, this is his first time. Tatry natin, ha? Yeah. Good. Yeah, it's okay. Good job, Noah. Very good. That's the proper way of blowing a saxophone. No, yung tone na yun. Bumblebee. Yay! That's Noah's first lesson.